Do you want to restore an old photo? It can be done very quickly with New Restoration Filter in Photoshop. In this video, I will show you how you can turn an old photo like this into this one into this, and this into this. Let's go to the Filter menu, find Neural Filters. In the Open tab, we need to download Photo Restoration. Here you'll find the same icon as here. Now download it and launch. Wait for a few seconds. Perfect. We see what we have received. Here is what was before, and after applying this filter, it becomes like this. It is much better already, but let us play a little more with preferences. For example, photo enhancement. Here we can regulate the photo softness, remove blur a little. At the same time, wrong settings could make our photo too blurry. That's why it's better to play with the slider from the very bottom, starting with 0 value, moving upper to see how it's better. This one's good. The main thing is not to overdo it, because you can lose important details in the photo. Enhance Face. This is the function that draws face over a real face and adjusts it all to 1. Scratch Reduction cleans up scratches in the photo, such as these ones. Let's do 24. The filter's applying quite a long time, therefore we need to wait. And that's it. As we can see, the scratches are gone. It is important not to overdo it with this filter because it can remove some elements or blur them. For example, this thing here. Let's increase the value so you can see the difference. And as we see, after applying, there are distortions already. Here's what was before, and here's what's become after. Here you can see this metal ring started changing a bit. Well, here, I guess, a value of 24 is enough. Good. Here you can also find additional noise removal features. We'll have to wait as well so that the filter is applied. With this adjustment here, we can remove noise from different color elements, for example from hair. And now, halftone artifacts reduction. This one removes artifacts if there are any, and JPEG artifacts reduction, removing JPEG artifacts. We can make a colored image by pressing the Colorize button. We've got it all drawn out here. Here, under the image, are the settings. You can see these settings, move the sliders, and see how the photo will change. For example, here is a color artifact removal. You can also manage color settings here as well. If the program suddenly made something wrong, you can fix it manually. And there is also a noise removal. Press OK. That's it. Our photo is restored. We proceed to the restoration of the next, more difficult one. As we can see, there are a lot more bumps and scratches on this photo. Let's go to the Filter menu once again and find Neural Filters. Launching Photo Restoration. After applying it, we can see that the photo looks much better now. Here's what was before, and this is how it looks now. In this photo, we can see how the Enhance Face works. Firstly, let's increase the photo enhancement value to see what's better. I think we can use a smaller value here, for example, 57. And now I want to show you how the faces are finished using Enhance Face and how faces are rendered. When the value is 0, we can see one face, but when we increase the value here, our face is changing. It was completed. In this photo, you can see better the way this Enhance Face thing works. I think we can put a value of 47 here. Now let's start removing the scratches in this photo. Let us increase the scratch reduction value. Now the scratches are gone. But still, let's slightly increase the value here. Good. I think that's enough for now. Let us also check the adjustments and remove noise with the noise reduction function. Awesome! Then we press the Colorize button. But it didn't work out here as we can see. Not entirely correct. That is why we'll check other presets. And we'll choose the one that fits the most. There are quite a lot of details in this photo, and it's quite difficult for the program to draw everything by itself. Okay, I think we can leave this preset. And we'll move these sliders a bit just to see how it affects the photo. Right away, I recommend that you check how this function works and move different sliders around. Okay, we're done with this photo as well. Let's move on to editing another photo. Go to the Filter tab, Neural Filters, press Photo Restoration. After the filter is applied, we can see the photo became better, but we can still play slightly with the adjustments. Why don't we move that last slider? Wait until the process ends. Not bad. Now let's raise the noise removal. Press the Colorize button. And I'm not really happy with the result. We can also check out the presets in the Profiles tab and apply one of them. It takes a very long time to apply filters to this photo. It's probably very heavy. Basically, I like this filter. As you can see, with the help of neural filters, we can restore old photos and make them look pretty good. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like, subscribe to the channel, and watch other Photoshop videos in the playlist, which is on your screen right now.